Hello friend, today I am going to discuss new features in Revit 2021, that is called 2021. So this is the call Revit 2020. Right now I am going to open this is where I just open this is the call Revit 2020 and there is a 2021 2021. So I am just opening the 221 Revit. So in this functions I am going to just select the files and just click the new options, and from here we just select the architecture templates, then okay. So right now we have we have the basic knowledge of the Revit architecture. Now I am not going to discuss all these things. I am just telling you about the new functions and the new features of slanted wall. So there is option. What I am going to do, just take the wall. From this wall I am just selecting the generic wall. So I will say select this one, edit types, and from here edit we just select the wall thickness. We choose by default 300 we have to choose. So we have selected the wall 3000 and this building height should be the 4000. Okay, and with the help of draw tools I just take the rectangle and roughly I am just placing. This is the called suppose 4000 by something heights I have chosen, and the view option that is called the 3D option. So we just select like this. So if you need to hide this one, just select right click and there is option is to call hide in category. So we have hide this. So we have selected the wall. So how we are going to make this is called the slanted wall. Just select the wall. After selecting the wall we just go to the properties tab. There is option cross section. This is the one of the most important function in Revit 2021. So in there is option called slanted. I am just selecting, suppose we need to select the 5 degree, just click the cursor, see the angle is shifted. How? It's very simple. If you need to change the angle, just selecting this option, again we select, this is the option is called slanted, and we need to, suppose we need the degrees 15 degree, 1 degree not, we need the 15 degree, just selecting the 15, just put the cursor, see. So how we have changes all those things. So it's very easy to make all these things. Again go to the level 1, again I am selecting and deleting this option architecture wall. So you can select one times also, selecting option is there. So you can see the view, this so 3D view option is here. Again go to the level 1, again selecting this option. Now we just select their options for slanted height, selected their angle, we just angle is suppose a 5 degree, just put the cursor and go 3D view, so you can see it from the here. So like this we can make any wall slanted this option. Right now we move to the 2020. Again there is option is called Revit 2020 2020. Just clicking the 20. Okay, so here we go to the level 1. So you can see it from the this option is called level 1. I am just selecting architecture, their wall option is there, clicking, selecting the wall, go to the 3D view. In this 3D view, after selecting the wall, selecting see there is no option, but there is another process, so we can make the slanted wall, but in this 2020 there is no option of the slanted wall. So with the help of 2021 we can easily make the slanted wall. That's a very easy tools. Again I am just showing you, suppose we need to draw, this is called level 1. I am just making suppose we just making a roof. See, you can see it very clearly, neat and clear. I am just selecting this roof option is here. So suppose we need a level 1, okay, no issue. Just select the wall tool, selecting this option, clicking and finishing this option. Attach option is option, then view, then 3D option is here. So we can easily select, see how we can make it. If you need to go to see the section option, just clicking the section option is here. It's not perfect, select, delete. So you need to draw the proper selection option is there. See, now you can easily understand, double click, see how the wall is connected. So you can drag like this, selection option is there and you can drag like this. So this is the process that you can make a slanted wall. It's very easy to understand and easy to do. Hope you utilize these tools more and more. Thank you very much. Please, if you want some more information, Revit architectures, because initially we have created our new YouTube channel, so you just like, subscribe, and if required definitely just put some comments on it and definitely we will reply your answer. Thank you very much.